the other hand, and for arm protection. When loads are heavy or bulky, wear steel-toed safety shoes to prevent foot injuries if the load is wrong.
Yeah, stop it. You remember in the last when we were studying doing the PPE under the OSHA and under the your associate certification, PPE, always keep in mind everything is designed for something to use. If we have protective dresses, for fire they designed, for swimming they designed, for the water oceans is designed, for jumping from the height is designed, harness is designed, everything is designed. Same way, if there are sharp edges and you want to handle this material, don't handle it barehanded. Wear the gloves which are designed for this purpose. Okay, if you are handling chemical, wear the chemical resistant gloves. Okay, there are many materials. If you touch them, your body can start itching or it can burn and dissolve it also. Okay, there are dangerous chemicals, acids and other things. Second thing, if the loads are bulky, heavy, and you are going through walk things, don't go with the normal shoes because this load can fall on your foot and can hurt. Right? So steel toed safety shoes, I explained you last time, always wear the safety shoes with the steel toe. Okay? And if you see your on the other both sides, there's a heavy foam is there to protect your foot as well. Okay?
Yes.
So this is the thing which again the safety is important. Safety is the first and safety is the must. So when you are handling materials, sharp headed or the hazardous materials, just wear the gloves, and when you are holding the heavy loads and you should know it can fall down on your foot and can hurt your foot, damage your foot. The better
Yes.
use wear the safety shoes with the steel shoe. But next to the material handling equipment, if you see this picture, employees must be trained in the proper use and limitations of the equipment they operate. You see this hook, okay,
Yes.
and it is locked, so it should not get down, get out, Okay, when they are pulling and pushing, you can see very clearly how it is protected. This includes knowing how to effectively use equipment such as forklifts, cranes, and slides. When you are handling the materials, for example, excavator taking the material and it's moving, the operator should see if somebody is out not close to him, that this bucket can hit him. So be careful. If you are handling the crane, okay, nobody should go under the load. Maybe it's container, maybe there's and people have seen who holding this containers and things. No, use the ropes. If you want that they should go straight, use the ropes, proper ropes, and designed ropes.
Yes.
Don't let the workers to take handles if there is a container or there is this big movable houses or slabs or precast slabs or many other things. In your industry they use the containers. So be careful. Not the people should train. They should be well trained that how to handle this material when use the equipments like excavators, like cranes, like forklifts, Many people they get hit by the forklift. The forklift, uh, the operator he cannot see the behind, and the person is standing behind. Okay, so he should see the behind as well when he lifting the materials, when he unloading the materials, tracking, racking the materials, he is fixing on the racks the materials. So it is very important to give the training and then using of the slings. Slings should be designed 5 ton, 2 ton, 10 ton, 15 ton, not any sling. It should be well listed, it should be designed, and it should be stamped that this sling can lift so much load. This can lift so much tonnage load or kg loads. Okay? And it should be properly hooked, locked, so that it should not be opened. Right? If it is open and any crane or lifting equipment is there, this can cause a lot of damages and it can cause a lot of fatalities. Okay? Forklifts. Mostly we use forklifts for the taking the loads from the trucks, taking in the warehouses and stacking there, and you have seen it, you know. So it is important that load should be on the center of the forklift. There are teeth, you know, 2 teeth are there, and there are extensions also. In the forklifts there are extensions as well. Okay, so be careful that the load should be in the center, balanced. It should not be imbalanced, and as close to the mast, you know, this there's a front, you know, it should be very close to that. It should not be on the end, otherwise they can the lifter can turn, you know. Okay, so minimize the potential for the truck tripping and load falling. Overloading a lift truck makes it hard to control and could make it tip over. Okay, the load can fall down and it can cause the injuries. Place the load at the lowest position for traveling. Don't place extra weight on the rear of a counterbalanced forklift to allow an overload. Okay, it's very important. You have to watch, observe that forklifter operator, he is trained enough, the people are trained enough how to use the forklifts for the material handling. Okay, and operating a forklift safety is very important as well. Okay, always when the forklift operator is operating, don't sit beside it. Many people they sit beside that forklifters, or they are hanged with that. You know, they are holding like that, and they are going around. You know. So operating a forklift safety, keep arms and legs inside the truck. Handle only stable loads. Don't handle the loose loads, stable loads. Keep always the speed very slow. Don't rush, because by rushing you this load can fall down or the forklift can get damaged or any accident can happen. So it is very important that the speed should be under control. Okay, you may have to stop if required. Be careful when making sharp turns with their raised load, when turning, sharp turning, okay, with the loads. If a load blocks your view, travel in the reverse. Okay, for example, if there is a load and it is upper, you cannot see the front, then what you should do? You travel on the back. Okay, the load is on the front, you travel on the back so that you can see it from the back. No riders unless there is an approved seat. As I explained you, there should be no rider on the sitting beside unless it is approved seat is there. Don't drive with forks raised. When it is up, don't drive it. Okay? Wear safety belts or other restraint devices which is required for the safety of the. Okay, ji?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. This is the chapter you have seen.